lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So this video is gonna be a get ready with me for Diwali, and this is the makeup look that I've come up with, and I'm gonna show you my entire look as well. I personally enjoy wearing colors. You guys can see I'm wearing like a green liner which is perfectly matching my jacket along with some pink lipstick, golden eyeshadow. This is so me, I can't even tell you. And trust me guys, this is not tough at all. It's a very simple makeup look that anyone can do if you're a beginner or if you have like mediocre makeup skills just like me. So you can definitely try this on your own. And yes, without any further ado, now let's just get started with today's video. So guys, I've already cleansed my face. My face looks squeaky clean, and the face wash that I've used today is the Mamaearth's Vitamin C foaming face wash with vitamin C and turmeric. Now मैं vitamin C की कितनी तारीफ करूँ अपने चैनल पे, मतलब मैंने कितनी बार आपको बताया है that I love vitamin C as a skincare ingredient because it's great for your skin. It has antioxidant properties. It gives a very beautiful glow to your face. साथ के साथ it reduces any sort of hyperpigmentation, any signs of aging such as fine lines or wrinkles. So overall, vitamin C is such an amazing ingredient for the skin. And my favorite part about this face wash is that it comes with this silicone sort of a brush, inbuilt brush. So you just have to press this and यहाँ से foam निकल आता है. तो आप अच्छे से अपने skin को deeply cleanse कर सकते हो. काफी अच्छे से skin को एकदम clean कर देता है. I personally love it because it's loaded with a lot of antioxidants and it also helps to brighten the skin. साथ में इसमें acne preventing properties भी है, which is a great thing. And जैसे कि मैं आपको हमेशा बताती हूँ guys, I really like Mamaearth as a brand because इनके products में कोई भी chemicals नहीं होते हैं. They are all natural and it's also PETA certified as cruelty free, which is a great thing. Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand, which means कि लोग जितना प्लास्टिक यूज करते हैं उससे कहीं ज्यादा प्लास्टिक रिसाइकल करते हैं. Now for my moisturizer, I'm going to use the Mamaearth's Vitamin C Face Milk with Vitamin C and Peach. It's for skin illumination. काफी ज्यादा lightweight है skin पे, as well as काफी ज्यादा hydrating भी है. It's non-sticky, non-greasy formulation, so I really like this. Now it comes with a pump like this, and the quantity you get is 100 ml, which is again very nice. So if you want to check out this Vitamin C foaming face wash and this Vitamin C face milk, मैं इन दोनों products के links नीचे description box में mention कर दूंगी. And you can also use my code Shivani20 on mamaearth.in for a 20% off. वैसे तो ये products Amazon, Nykaa, Purple पे भी available हैं. So मैं उन सारी websites के links भी नीचे description box में mention कर दूंगी. आपको जहाँ से भी shopping करनी है आप कर सकते हो. And one amazing thing that I would like to tell you guys is that every time you buy from Mamaearth, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. So the exact geolocation, the picture, as well as the species of the tree will be sent to you. A big thumbs up from my side to Mamaearth because I really appreciate their efforts. And now I'm just gonna use some lip balm to moisturize my lips as well as to prep my lips for the lipstick. The primer that I'll be using is from NY Bay. It's a silicone based primer and I really like it. For my foundation, I'll be using the Colorbar's Timeless Filling and Lifting Foundation with Hyaluronic Acid. I really like this foundation because it's so lightweight, yet it almost gives like a full coverage. And I'm in the shade 02 Soft Opal. For my concealer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. And it's in the shade Medium Beige. After that, I'm going to bake my under eye area, and for that I'm going to use the Purple Going Bananas Bake and Set Banana Powder. And guys, मैं इन सभी products की links जो भी मैं इस वीडियो में यूज करूंगी ना, मैं सबके links नीचे description box में mention कर दूंगी क्योंकि अभी Purple की दिवाली सेल चल रही है guys. It started from 6th of November and it's gonna go till 10th of November. So make sure you grab this opportunity because you will get up to 50% off and काफी सारे brands पे बहुत ही amazing offers चल रहे हैं. So you're actually getting up to 40% off on Maybelline. Then buy 6 pay for 3 on Good Vibes, Stay Quirky as well as NY Bay. You'll also get up to 30% off on Faces. And जो Purple की अपनी brand है उस पे भी they are having an amazing offer that if you buy 4 products you have to pay only for 2. So overall Purple की इस दिवाली सेल में बहुत ही अच्छे offers हैं. Make sure you check it out. मैं सेल का लिंक और इन सभी products के लिंक नीचे description box में mention कर दूंगी. And now I'm just gonna quickly bake my under eyes. And now to set my entire face, I'm gonna use the Faces Canada's Weightless Stay Matte Compact with SPF 20, Vitamin E as well as shea butter. So मैं ज्यादा बेक नहीं करने वाली अपने अंडर आईज को, मतलब मुझे सिर्फ 30 seconds के लिए ही बेक करना था. And now I'm just dusting off the banana powder. Now to make sure that my base stays like this only, I'm just going to use some fixing spray and I'm going to use the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer. मैं थोड़ा सा इसको अपने ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर पे स्प्रिट्स करूंगी and I'm just gonna press the base, as in the base products, into my skin very nicely. Now for my eyebrows, I'm gonna do nothing. This is my natural eyebrow growth. It's pretty dark, so मुझे कभी भी अपने eyebrows को shape करने की ऐसे proper बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. So मैं simply सिर्फ एक ये mascara wand ले लूंगी. It's a very old mascara wand जिसको मैं as a spoolie use करती हूँ अपने eyebrows के लिए. And मैं थोड़ा सा dark brown eyeshadow ले लूंगी. So I'm just gonna take this very dark brown shadow. मैं हल्की सी spoolie इसमें अपनी dip करूंगी. And I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows with this spoolie. It's time to do the eyes, and for my eyes I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 01. I personally love Swiss Beauty eyeshadows because first of all they are very affordable. Secondly, they are decently pigmented and I really like the formulation as well. For my crease, I'm going to use this very deep burgundy sort of a shade and I'm just gonna place it into my crease area. Now to make it even more dense, I'm going to use the same brown shade that I used for my eyebrows. So मैं इसको भी थोड़ा सा लेके अपने crease में लगा लूंगी. Now to blend everything and make sure that there are no harsh lines, I'm going to use this very fluffy blending brush. Guys, do not worry, सारे brushes clean हैं. It's just that the brushes are stained because of the bristles. मतलब इनकी जो bristles थी वो white color की थी and अब मेरे सारे brushes ऐसे ही stain हो चुके हैं permanently, so I can't really do anything. Now since my outfit has a mixture of yellow and golden, so मैं एक golden eyeshadow stick लूंगी and I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelids. And I'm gonna use this Seri Cosmetics eyeshadow stick in the shade E5 Glaze. काफी ज़्यादा pigmented है and काफी अच्छा formulation भी है. Now I'm just gonna apply the same burgundy shade onto my lower lash line as well. Now to open up my eyes a little bit, I'm going to use this Nude Kohl by Wet n Wild. So it's their color icon kohl eyeliner and the shade is called Rose Natural. Now for my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Lakme Insta Liner in the shade Green because as you guys can see, it perfectly matches my shrug or the jacket that I'm wearing. So I'm just going to make a wing liner with this. Alright guys, so this is what my green eyeliner winged liner looks like. And now to complete my eye makeup, I'm going to use my all-time favorite mascara and it's this Maybelline Lash Sensational. I freaking love this mascara. It's so good, you guys. My eyelashes are naturally quite long and uske upar se when I apply this mascara, ekdam falsy iska effect milta hai mujhko. So my eyes are done, guys, and now I'm just gonna quickly bronze my face a little bit. I'm not into contouring or bronzing as such. Ye wala bronzer lungi, which is the Sugar's mini bronzer in the shade 02 Woody Wonder. I'm just gonna slightly bronze my face. बहुत ही ज़्यादा light bronzing की है मैंने, जो कि I'm sure कि कैमरा पे अभी उतना पता नहीं चल रहा होगा. And now I'm just gonna apply the blush. So the blush that I've been loving recently is from Stay Quirky. It's their Cheeky Girls blush and my favorite shade is Coral Chic number 5. इसके बारे में मैं पहले भी अपने वीडियोस में बात कर चुकी हूँ. I really like this. It's such a beautiful rosy pinky color. Now for my highlighter, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite highlighter, which is the Maybelline Master Chrome metallic highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I absolutely love this highlighter because काफी ज़्यादा सुंदर है. No matter मेरे पास कितने भी highlighters हैं, I always like to go back to this specific highlighter. It's so beautiful and it's just perfect for the festive season. I'm not gonna apply the highlighter on my brow bone because guys, I have a mark over here. So जब मैं इसके ऊपर highlighter लगाती हूँ तो ये mark और ज़्यादा enhance होके दिखता है and I do not like that. But if you want, you can obviously highlight your brow bone as well. And for my lips, I'm just gonna line my lips first with the Stay Quirky's XOXO lip pencil and it's in the shade Passion number 7 and it's this beautiful pink color ka lip pencil you guys can see. Now for my lipstick, I'm gonna use a lipstick combo. The first lipstick is this one by Stay Quirky. It's their liquid matte lipstick and the shade is called Non-Objectifiable number 8 and the second one is a Maybelline lip gradation in the shade Pink 2. So सबसे पहले I'm gonna apply the Stay Quirky one. Now since this lipstick shade is a little lighter, मतलब मुझे थोड़ा सा और dark pink चाहिए, तो मैं सिर्फ हल्का सा इसके ऊपर से लिप्रिडेशन लगा लूंगी. आई एम डन विद माई मेकअप एंड नाउ टू सेट एवरीथिंग आई एम जस्ट गोना यूज द सेम मेकअप फिक्सर बाय फेसेस कैनेडा एंड इट्स टाइम टू डू द हेयर. सो फॉर माई हेयर आई एम नॉट गोना डू मच टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. So this is what my natural hair texture looks like and मैं इसको ही थोड़ा सा और straighten कर लूंगी. But guys, straightening करने से पहले I'm just gonna quickly apply my all-time favorite hair serum, which is the L'Oreal's Extraordinary Oil Serum. I personally love it. I'm just gonna take some random strands of my hair to straighten them because as you guys can see कि मेरे almost straight बाल है, जो हल्की फुल्की waves हैं, सिर्फ उसी को मुझे straighten करने की जरूरत पड़ती है. So this is what my sleek hairstyle looks like. मुझे ऐसे ही अपने बाल खुले रखना बहुत पसंद है. Now my ethnic look is not complete without a bindi and since my outfit is yellow, so मैं एक yellow bindi भी लगा लेती हूँ. And for my earrings, I'm gonna wear a very gorgeous pair of earrings by Jewellery. So this is what the earrings look like. How pretty are these? I mean उनकी अभी new launch ही है and Oshin was very kind enough to send these to me. So make sure you check out Jewellery on Instagram. I will surely leave their Instagram handle in the description box below. That's all for the jewelry, guys, and now I'm gonna spritz my favorite EDT from Zara, which is the Blossom Blush. It just smells so good, you guys. Matlab, it actually smells like a very expensive Victoria's Secret perfume. I kid you not. And now I'm just gonna show you my entire outfit. So this is what my outfit looks like. It's a very nice golden color ki lehenga choli. Now on top of my lehenga choli, I'm wearing this very beautiful green color ki. I'm not exactly sure कि कौन सा शेड है ग्रीन का. वैसे तो आप इस लहंगा चोली के साथ एक रेगुलर दुपट्टा भी कैरी कर सकते हो गाइस, बट दिस जैकेट और दिस श्रग मेक्स द आउटफिट वेरी वेरी एजी एंड डिफरेंट. लाइक आई पर्सनली लव द होल वाइब. एंड नाउ वी आर जस्ट लेफ्ट विद द फुटवेयर. सो फॉर माय फुटवेयर आई एम गोना वेयर दीज ब्यूटीफुल जुत्तीज. लाइक दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. आई गॉट देम फ्रॉम लाजपत नगर येस्टरडे इटसेल्फ. आई थिंक ये बहुत ही ज्यादा सुंदर है. दिस टाइम आई एक्चुअली डिसाइडेड टू डिच माय गोल्डन हील्स बिकॉज आई रियली वांट टू बी comfortable. I feel it's a very nice festive look because it looks festive, sophisticated, elegant, smart, like all of these things at the same time. ये सारे ही products अभी पर्पल की दिवाली सेल पे बहुत ही अच्छे डिस्काउंट पे मिल जाएंगे गाइस आपको. So make sure कि आप नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जो मैंने लिंक्स दिए हैं चेकआउट कर लेना. If you like something, so this is the right time to shop. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Get Ready With Me for Diwali. And if you liked it, then please make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In case you guys would like to connect with me on my social medias, then I would surely leave all the links for you guys in the description box below as always. And yes, I shall see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.